Albay. Kaugnay pa rin ang pagbuga ng abo ng Mount Mayon. Makakapanayam natin si NDRRMC Director Ed Rosario. Magandang umaga po, Director Rosario.
Good morning.
Yeah. Meron na raw casualties sa mga climbers sa Mount Mayon.
Yes, we received initial report na meron tayong 3 namatay at 4 na injured sa phreatic eruption na nangyari sa Mayon volcano. That happened at about 8:25 this morning.
So 3 dead and 4 injured. Out of how many po ang nandun?
It is estimated that there are about 20 people na mountain climbers.
Isang grupo lang po yon o separate groups?
3 separate groups.
3 separate groups pero magkakalapit?
Yes. Basically, sila malapit sa crater.
Malapit sila sa crater?
Yes.
Malapit sila sa crater. And yung casualties, yung 3 dead and 4 injured, nasa isang grupo lang yon o scattered among the 3 separate groups?
We could not confirm yet kung itong 3 patay at 4 na injured among the 3 groups.
And itong mga patay po, alam na ba natin ang mga nationalities? Kasi nabalitaan namin na may mga foreign nationals pa nakasama sa mga climbers. We report na of these 20, there are some foreigners, but we could not confirm kung yung mayroong foreigner out of the 3 dead. Ano na po ang status ng rescue operations and para dun sa mga patay ay retrieval?
Meron tayong mga responders na nagpunta ron sa actual site at per alert status being maintained by PBOX. It is still maintaining alert level 0, meaning that no eruption is imminent.
Okay, so no eruption is imminent.
Yes.
Pero itong mga climbers na nandoon, may 20 and then may mga buhay pa, hindi sila nakakababa on their own. Kailangan i-rescue silang lahat.
Yes, definitely, because there is a possibility that a small explosion might happen. It means that a small steam and ejections may occur. That is why we are asking the public to refrain from entering the 6-kilometer radius as a permanent danger zone.
And how long will the responders take? Gaano kahaba po ang kanilang climb para marating yung site kung saan yung mga survivors?
We are still confirming from the incident command group in Bicol to that data.
And in the meantime po, ano po ang mga restrictions sa mga recreational activities dyan sa Mayon Volcano? Tigil muna mga climbers.
To observe yung permanent danger zone wherein the public will be required not to enter the 6-kilometer radius from the
Director, pinag-uusapan nga po namin ni Howie kanina, no? Kung ganyan pala na unpredictable ang Mayon, bakit po merong mga mountain climber?
Well, actually, it is a sudden, steam-driven eruptions. Talaga naman ang Mayon volcano, and there were no indications before na magkakaroon ng eruption. So this is being Bicol is observing Mayon volcano as one of its tourist spots, and this rarely happens. Actually, the last time that this phreatic eruption happened was, I think, in about in 1999.
1999 pa. Pero yung pangyayari ho na yon, wala ring sabi-sabi yon, wala hong anumang palatandaan. Ganun po ba, Director?
Yeah, it's a sudden steam-driven eruption at may possibility na because of that, toxic gas will be released.
Okay.
Okay, maraming salamat. NDRRMC Director Ed Rosario.
Okay, thank you.